The power of white hats, ethical hacking success stories. Discover the world of ethical hacking, learn about its crucial role in cybersecurity. The global cost of cybercrime is estimated as 7.3 trillion in 2025. The ethical hacking market is $42 billion market in 2024 and growing 15% annually. Amid the legends, the famous ethical hackers. First one is Kevin Mitnick. Once a black hat hacker, Mitnick later became an ethical hacker and cybersecurity consultant. He helped companies like Microsoft, IBM enhance the security. His company, Mitnick Security Consulting, helps corporation detect and prevent cyber threats. Second one is Charlie Miller, discovered major vulnerabilities in Apple products, including iOS security flaws, found way to hack into MacBooks and iPhone remotely, which leads Apple to improve security. Also worked on discovering vulnerabilities in car software, warning companies like Tesla and Cybercell. Uh, Mark Lit- Mark Litfish discovered critical security bugs in PayPal, Yahoo, and Google. Has earned millions through a bug bounty. Works with the tech giants to continuously improve their defenses. Contribution to cybersecurity. First one is vulnerability discovery and patching. Protectively report vulnerability before malicious actors exploit them. The average data breach cost in 2023 The data breach in 2023 was 4.45 million. Second one is security audits and penetration testing. Simulate real world attacks to access security measures effectiveness. The penetration testing market will reach to 4.5 billion by 2025. Development of security tools. Create tools to help organization defend against cyber threats. Wireshark, Metaplast, and Nmap are widely used by ethical hackers. Case study and case study ethical hacker that secured a major company. Santiago Lopez, the first ethical hacker to earn $1 million in bug bounties. Background: Santiago Lopez, an ethical hacker from Argentina, started hacking as a teenager. He learned cybersecurity technique through self-study and began participating in bug bounty programs. Major contribution: Lopez reported that hundreds of security flaws in major companies, is including Twitter, Verizon, and WordPress. One of his most significant finding was a critical vulnerability in financial services company that could have led to mass data leaks. The company was able to fix the issue before a real damage occurred, thanks to his responsible disclosure. Impact: his disclosure prevented potential cyber attacks that could cause millions in damage. He recognized as a top ethical hacker by HackerOne, a popular bug bounty platform. How companies reward ethical hackers. First one is bug bounty program. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft run bug bounty programs that reward hackers from finding vulnerabilities. Some rewards can go up to millions of dollars for critical bugs. Second one is jobs and recognition. Many ethical hackers get hired by the companies they help secure. They are offered role as a penetration tester, security analyst, or consultant. Third one is acknowledgement. Companies of public acknowledgement. Companies often list ethical hackers in Hall of Fame pages, giving them credit for their discoveries. Fourth one is cash prizes and swag. Some companies provide cash rewards, gift card, or branded merchandise as a thank you gesture for security contributions. Thank you.